Okay, hey, bonjour, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO, and today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Oh, before I get to that, here's some Ojibwe words. Dabaji Moen is a story. The Dabaji Moen. And a person who tells a story is an Adazuke Winini, a storyteller. Adazuke Winini. Adazukan is a traditional story, like how Beaver got his tail or whatever. That would be an Adazukan. But just a story would be a Dabaji Moen. And today I would like to tell the story of three little pigs. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Gukush. Gukush. Now gukush is a pig. But if you have pigs, you have to add an ug. Gukushug. 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 If you wanted to say three little pigs, you would say Niswi, Bungi, Gukushug. Now in this story, there's also, yesterday we were talking about the Ma'ingan. We were talking about the wolf. Ma'ingan. But in this story, the Ma'ingan's a big bad wolf. He's a Gitchi Maji Ma'ingan. Gitchi Maji. Like in Gitchi Manadu, great spirit? Well, this is a great bad wolf. Big bad wolf. Gitchi Maji Ma'ingan. So today, I would like to tell the story. I would like to tell the Dabaji Moen of the Niswi Bungi Dush Gitchimaji. This is the story of the three little pigs and the big bad wolf. You see, back in the days of the grandfathers, there were three little pigs. There were Niswi Bungi Gukushug. Three little pigs. And one of them pigs, well, he made his house out of just straw. Second little pig, he made his house out of sticks. But the third little pig, he made his house out of bricks. Well, one day, the Gitchimaji Ma'ingan, the big bad wolf, he comes around the neighborhood and he comes up to the first gukush. Comes up to the first pig's house. And he knocks on the door there and he's like, "Little pig, Bungi Gukush, let me in. Bungi Gukush, let me in." Well, that little Gukush, he's like, "All right, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin." So Ma'ingan, he says, "Well, then I'm going to have to huff and puff. And I'm going to blow your house in." So he huffed. And he puffed. And he blew that house in. The little pig goes running off to his brother's and his brother's stick house. Big bad wolf goes, walking down the block. Comes into the stick house and he knocks on it. It's like, little pigs, Bungi Gukushug, let me in." Well, the pigs, Gukushug, they say, "Not by the hair of our chinny chin chins." So Ma'ingan, he says, "Well, then I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. So he huffs, and he puffs, and he blew that house in. Well, they go running off to their third brother who's living in a brick house. And Kitchi Maji Ma'ingan, big bad wolf. He walks down, a couple doors down, and he knocks on the door there. He's like, little pigs. Bungi gukushug. Bungi gukushug. Let me in. The pigs hear this and are like, not by the hair of our chinny chin chins. We saw what you did with the other houses. What do you think, we're nuts? We're not letting you in. You're a psychopath. Then he says, well, then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. So he huffs, and he puffs, and nothing happens. It was a brick house. He's like, oh, that's right. This house is actually made properly. He goes, okay, you guys win. I can't blow down a brick house. Yeah, so he went back into the woods, and he never bothered them pigs again. So the moral of the story, kids, is you see, unless you make your house out of bricks, wolves will blow it down. So always make your houses out of bricks and never make them out of straws or sticks. And this has been the story of the Niswi Bungi Gukushag Dush Gitchi Maji Ma'ingan, the three little pigs, and the big bad wolf. To learn more about these bizarre German folk stories, I don't know. I guess I never understood what the point was. But anyway, thank you for listening. Miigwech ga bizin dawi egg. All right. I mean, I don't know. I know that, some of you right now are saying, oh yeah, well, quite frankly, NANABOOZHOO, we don't always understand Ojibwe stories, Some of the Ojibwe stories can be kind of dumb too when you go, what's the moral of that story? Like, did you ever hear the one about the rabbit? How rabbit got his flat face? Well, apparently a fox was hunting him down and he punched him in the nose. So his face got flat. And you go, what? So then why did his kids have that little flat face? And why did their kids? It's like, what? That makes no sense. But the big bad wolf, I don't know what the moral of that story is supposed to be. I don't know the moral of the story of Jack and the Beanstalk. I almost told that story today. But whatever. What? You guys don't understand that story any better than I do. Oh, really? Well, what's it supposed to mean? What are the kids supposed to learn from a story about a wolf that somehow has Superman breath that he can just blow down homes? And what's the end game? Was he trying to kill the pigs? Was he going to eat them? Oh, you're just... These birds, they're quick to find a flaw in other people's logic, but they don't find any of their own. Listen, I got to go back. Okay. Yeah, I'll see you again. Kikawabamin. Minoa. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Boozhoo. Hey, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. You ready to come in? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. Let's see, you got to scan for your coordinates. All right. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. Hi. How is it outside? Oh, it's beautiful. What'd you do? Well, I told the story of the 3 little pigs and the big bad wolf. Oh, I love that story. Yeah, it's a good one, huh? Yeah, sure. Did you put out your tobacco and say a prayer? Nah, I just told the story. Yeah. Hey, Michael, how you doing? I'm doing great. I'm so proud of that guy. Of Michael? How come? Because he released his album. Hey, thanks, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, if you go to Patreon right now, you can order a copy of Michael's new album. Rockstar Cartoonist. It's a collection of his greatest hits. I love Rockstar Cartoonist. Yeah. All your favorite hits you've probably heard on the show. You know, Home, Emily, Never Coming Back Here Again, Wake and Bake. All on one convenient album. You can either spend $20 on, and I don't know what they do, if they send you a CD or what. I mean, who's got a CD player anymore? I don't know. Or, probably at the end of this video, there's going to be click the link and you can just listen to the album on YouTube for free. Anyway, Michael, you know what? It was cool that you released this. Even if nobody listens to it. Why don't you think I'm going to listen? You know, because no one's ever heard of you. Yeah. Michael Lyons, Rockstar Cartoonist. The greatest hits solo album. No. Anyway, I'm proud of you, buddy. Good job. Thanks, buddy. Michael Lyons, the Rockstar Cartoonist with his album Rockstar Cartoonist. All right. So today, I thought we could start our show with the... Oh, hang on, sweetie. I got to pick that up. Boozhoo! Hello, this is Natasha from the NANABOOZHOO podcast. Oh, you want to be on the show? Well, sure, I could. Yeah, no problem. Okay, hang on. Sweetie, the caller is Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift? Who's that? You don't know who Taylor Swift is? No. Taylor Swift is like the most famous singer in the world. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, patch her through. Line 2. Line 2. Hello, Tanya Swift. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. Welcome to the show. You're on the air. Hi, NANABOOZHOO. This is Taylor Swift. Hi, Taylor Swift. How are you? I'm doing real good. You know, I wanted to know how can I get a copy of Michael's, his album. Oh, you want a copy of Michael's album? Yeah, what's it called? It's called Rockstar Cartoonist. Yeah, Rockstar Cartoonist. Does he sing songs that he wrote and play guitar? Yeah, he sure does. Yeah, I want to hear that. Cause I play guitar and I sing songs. Oh, do you really? Yeah, I used to be married to Kanye West. You did not. Or something. Yeah. So Michael Lyons, his album's available at patreon.com. Links are in the description. Oh, that's great. Can I sign up to support the show on whatever that's called, patreon.com? Yeah, you sure can, Taylor Swift. Click the links in the description below. Oh, that's great. I love the music of Michael Lyons. Oh, great. I heard something about Taylor Swift the other day. What's that? That it's a great, fellas, if you want to start up a conversation with a complete strange woman and you don't know what to say, you can't go up there and just say, oh, hey, hi, how would you like to have a date? It doesn't work that way anymore. Go up there and pretend you don't know who Taylor Swift is. And they're going to, every woman, at least white women, will say, oh, I can't believe you don't know who Taylor Swift is. Because this is the artist that they've been told to like. You know who Taylor Swift is, don't you? Yeah, I've heard of her. Taylor, you did that song with Bryan Adams, huh? Oh yeah, we did the summer of 69. The summer of 69. That's the song I did with Bryan Adams. Yeah, that was kind of cool. Anyway, I gotta go. Anything else I can do for you? Well, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Oh, in Ojibwe? We don't really say goodbye, Taylor Swift. We say, Gigawabamin, Minawa. I will see you again. Well, Gigawabamin, Minawa. I will see you again. Wow. Taylor Swift. You know what? She's not really what I expected. No, me either. Gigawabamin, Minawa. All right. So anyway, we're on at a weird time, and absolutely nobody's watching. And it's been 16 minutes. Let's bail and come on in the morning. Okay. All right, this has been Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. And we used to have a song. Here we go. Okay, hey, Miigwech ka Bizendawieg theoretical viewers in the future. There's some live stream, nobody shows up. Yeah, I know. I'd like to say thank you for listening, Miigwech ka Bizendawieg, and thank you for watching. Miigwech Ganawabieg. Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. A podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is Michael Lyons, the musician. Hey everybody, thanks so much. And this, the reason I get up in the morning. Oh, get out of here. The lovely and talented Natasha. Miigwech kakita awia. And thank you everybody. We'll see ya. I'll see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Welcome to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. To speak Ojibwe. G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Ojibwe. Welcome back to the show. Boozhoo. Welcome back to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Okay, hey, Boozhoo. Boozhoo. Welcome to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO. And I am Natasha. And we'd like to invite you to join the Boozhoo Crew membership channel. For $4.99 monthly, you get exclusive perks, exclusive members-only live stream. Auntie Tasha's moment of wisdom, huh, sweetie? That's right. And after today, candid behind-the-scenes discussions with creator Michael Lyons. and new music videos, dead celebrity interviews from heaven, what have you. And of course, cat videos of Bagheera. Click the link below. Join the Boozhoo Crew membership channel, $4.99 a month. I'll see you there. And I will see you again. Kiga waba min. Minawa. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountain skate. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape.